Honest sir,
Oo.
with AI ngayon, feel ko hindi na malayo na they will use maybe this podcast or maybe our other interviews voice and use it to read your books.
Puwede rin, 'di
That's
ba?
very
Yeah,
possible.
I
'Di ba?
when you think about it, AI is,
Grabe.
actually gusto ko siyang pag-aralan because,
Oo.
shit, sabi ko maybe can it write my books, 'di ba?
Wag naman sana. I mean,
And
oh, well,
kasi yung sabi ko
yeah.
many a year ago, hindi ako takot, eh. Kasi sabi ko nga, ang AI is only as good as that person's search history. And I said, an undergrad search history is not the same as mine. 'Pag nag-AI kami, iba yung
Mm.
lalabas, 'di ba? And then ako, 'cause I'm older, I know which parts are hallucinating and which parts are real. Sila hindi alam. So, anyway, but I realized that AI saves me the heavy lifting. The hardest part of being a historian or a writer is facing your blank screen.
Yeah.
So ano lalagay ko lang, ang pinakamadali kong gawin, looking back, Beto Campo for Friday, 19 January, 'di ba? Yun ang una, tas ang tagal mong titingnan. Ano bang
Writer's block, no?
bago ka sumulat. And I realized, I tell AI, give me a
Yeah.
column on the
Sabi nga
18th century
yeah.
coconut, 'di ba? And then then when you look at it, sabi ko, shit. And then since you know, aayusin ko na lang ito, no? But and I realized that because a few months ago, I was invited to deliver a closing keynote at a literary conference. Ako, tagal-tagal ko inisip. Tanungin ko nga si AI, give me for a literary. Aba, maganda yung ginawa niya. And then sabi ko, shit, aayusin
Yeah.
ko lang 'to, pati examples gawin kong Philippine lang. Ito na, and sabi ko, I can actually read
And it
this.
learns kasi sir by the
It
way
learns
your
by
tonality,
although we use
the way you write,
in
'di ba?
Ateneo, it comes with our institutional package, 'di ba? We have Google Gemini that does not get, so
Saya.
it doesn't learn, 'di ba? But
Ay gano'n?
but
Okay.
that was the thing, nung nakita ko, shit, ang ganda naman nito. And then like, Lasal asked me to teach a new course, no? Of course, well, I taught it in the Ateneo, but they teach it differently. It was an art appreciation course. So, give me a syllabus for a Philippine art appreciation. Aba, give me a 13-week syllabus. Aba, gumano, pati
Yeah.
readings niya nakagawa na.
Grabe 'no?
So, ang galing. So, yun, para lang paglaruan siya.
Yeah. I think
Sabi ko,
nowadays sir
can you
sige.
give me a column on, I forgot what the topic was. Give me a history column in the style of Beto Campo. Aba, gumawa
How was it?
siya, kamukha, 'di ba?
Siya.
And then, sabi ko,
Natatakot.
sige, paglaruan pa
Galing.
natin 'to. Sabi ko, sige, write an obituary for Beto Campo. Tapos gumawa siya. Siyempre my whole life in outline.
Na available
And then
publicly, 'di
how
ba?
wonderful I am, what my work is like. So, okay naman. Although may parts na nag-hallucinate na siya, so parang,
Made up na 'no?
he has 2 children that he's married to, Maria, whatever her name is. He has 2 children that are not well known, but he
Okay.
takes care of them, but they're under the radar. And then sabi niya, one day, Beto Campo went to the mountains of Bukidnon and discovered an orchid that now carries scientific name, carries his name. Sabi ko, ano ito? Kung ano-ano na ang ginagawa. But the funny part was, that's the cheap ChatGPT lang. Well, I didn't realize that Gemini was included in, kasi
your ano na
ngayon ko lang
package.
tinitingnan kasi yung what comes with the Ateneo, Canvas, etc. Sabi ko, ay, ito pala, subukan ko to si Gemini. Tapos tinanong ko siya, give me an obituary for Beto Campo. Sagot niya, Beto Campo is still alive. Do you want me to give sabi ko, aba, mas magaling na siya so, I mean, yeah, I'd like to think it's a tool. No, it's like the
Yeah.
calculator. It's like, you're too young to remember. But when I was in grade 2, doon naumpisa yung pocket calculator. And the math teachers were all horrified na, ay, mabobobo sila pag ano. And then, paano yung test? So, Ateneo had to make a rule na you can only use calculators if every student in the class had one. Kasi syempre unfair dun sa iba. So yun, naging rule na. So everyone had a calculator. But when you look at it, when I go to the mall, parang 'di ba yung tindera, 5 plus 5, tapos sabi ko, hindi na sila yung simple mental math, hindi na nila magawa because nasanay na sa So I don't know. But I remember one of my
Balancing.
Ateneo teachers, he was the only one who was in favor of a calculator. The whole math, parang ayaw. We have to teach them to do things manually. And this was the only the only teacher in grade school who said, we give them calculators at prep. They will be doing calculus at grade 5. They just have to know what it means. And parang it was so fantastic now when you actually think of it, because they have the tool. So why are we still teaching stupid math? They should be given higher math because they have a tool.
Sabi nga nila, sir, AI raises your baseline.
Oh,
so that you can focus on the more,
on other things.
on the harder
I
shit.
mean, it's like I said that, in case of, people think history is all memory work. But sabi ko, that's why higher education has to be reassessed. The assessments are not the same because wala nang rote memory eh. Titingnan mo na lang sa Google.
Ganda.
The bigger challenge is letting the student be critical with the results Google gives and being able to tell which ones are relevant and which ones are not. But from my students, that's what I see, di ba? When they Google, yung kung ano yung una doon sa taas, yun na yung kukunin nila. But an older person will scroll all the way. Like ako, I'll scroll all the way until Google cannot give me anymore. It's a waste of time, di ba? But kasi, yun na yung training nung araw na walang computer. Like you go to a library, there was such a thing called the card catalog. Physical cards, you'll pull it out. You have to know alphabetical. When you pull it out, you have to know search by title, by author, by subject. So it's habits of mind na wala na yung mga estudyante. So hirap sila, no? So I give an AI-able assignment. So like one of their assignments was they have to transcribe a 19th century notarial document na Tagalog. So hindi niya mabasa ni AI. Kahit matranscribe nila, hindi na intindihan ni AI kasi yung spelling, bakit? B-A-Q-U-I-T. Mawiwindang si AI. So they're transcribing and I realized that my students cannot read cursive. Kasi it's not taught. And when I look at their papers, black letters sila.
Talaga?
Wala nang nagsusulat ng script.
Talaga?
So sabi ko, ibang-iba na yung generation. Wala na. Siguro only the girls' school kasi Assumption has the writing, di ba? Saints Co has the writing. Pero yung boys' school, siguro ako naalala ko yung sa prep, di ba? May writing manual. Yung push and pull, round and round. Yung sulat ba natin pare-pareho? Hindi. Ang pangit pa na sulat ng lalaki, di ba? Ateneo we use the same manual. Our handwriting should have been distinctive. But anyway, so I realized they're not teaching cursive. And then so they're reading. And then ang hirap naman ito, kaya nga gawin mo lang. And then, so I watch them. And this is the thing that makes a teacher, a teacher's life worthwhile. So I'm looking at them. Hirap na hirap. So sabi ko, ang secret dyan, a 19th century handwritten document is not read with the eyes. You have to read it aloud. So sabi ko, group kayo. So sabi ko, basahin ng isa, and then yung iba isulat ninyo. So pag binabasa, nakukuha nila, di ba? And then alam na nila yung differences in spelling. And then they would not understand parang si Maria at si Jose ay nag-isang katawan. So their translation was, how did they become one body? And then one of them said, they're in a relationship. Then the other one says, they're married. Sabi ko, naintindihan nyo na. So they get it by listening. Then they get it context clues. So sabi ko, it's something you will not need in your real life. But it's, algebra and geometry, which I hated. It has no real purpose in real life, but it's habits of mind, teaching you how to process data, how to think, how to organize thought. And that was the exercise. So when you think about it, our smartphones have given us a great deal of distraction. Parang hindi ka makapigil na hindi mo matingnan, di ba? Or di ba that's why kailangan constantly mong tinitingnan. And people like me who grew up without a cell phone, buong araw naman wala kaming pero you notice it, di ba? Pag nakalimutan mo yung cellphone mo sa bahay, habang binabalik, parang natataranta ka na you cannot live without it, di ba? But technically, what's that? Di ba? What's what's 30 minutes without your phone? Well,
Ay, matagal yan sa akin, sir.
so yun yung ano. So I'd like to think it's a tool, and this is a tool for the
Okay.
modern historian, 'di ba? Like for me, just now I'm going to Chicago. Immediately tinanong ko, are the materials I want digitized? Can I use my phone? Which is nice. Sa America, take all the pictures you want. It's sa Pilipinas, ang damot, no pictures. Or if you open a digital file, yung watermark nila, ang laki-laki. Anong point, 'di ba? Tapos low res pa. So, the world is changing, but sa Pilipinas kasi utak natin very proprietary pa, no? But which is why I want to do my website should have opened last month, but I wanted certain things changed, so we closed it again.
Hindi na to yung
And,
fan-made website niya, sir, no?
No,
Meron kang ganun, eh.
my fan-made, which I have no control over. But this one is nice. So
Ito talaga.
for this one, yun din, no? It's also giving back. Not everything should be money-oriented. So
Okay.
I want to put all of results writing online because in English, because there are so many students who need it for their research, but they don't have it, diba? So it will be a curated website. All of Rizal will be there, searchable by name, date, and topic. So the correspondence is already there, arrayed.
Wow.
Then I've annotated one by one. I'm annotating the diaries so that when they read it, also you're not reading blind. You have my. But yun nga, my web designer was saying, like, for the pictures, soon as we go out, Google will harvest all of this.
Totoo naman.
Diba?
Totoo
And yun ang madalas naiinis ako
Once
kasi
you put it, sir, it's there.
gagamitin ng
Yeah.
iba. Pati caption mo gagamitin nila. Tapos pag you
Put it
call
out
them
of
out,
context.
galit pa
Yeah.
sila na para, bakit ikaw bang may-ari niyan? Putangin na mo, kung hindi ko to hinanap, hindi mo nagamit, di ba? And I always, yes, I don't own it, but sabi ko, you don't know where it is.
Yeah.
I try to find the clearest possible image and then I clean it up pa. Then I describe it pa.
Yeah, and you putting it there in a manner na mas madaling hanapin.
Yun
Ito
na nga.
process din
Pero
doon, eh.
yun nga, di ba? Pag hinarvest na ni Google, wala. And then sabi ko, just put a light watermark. They can remove naman the watermark.
Dali lang nun, sir.
But just don't make it easy. Di ba? Or if people are nice, so website, we don't mind you getting this, but just acknowledge the source. Yun lang, simple. But even that, di ba?
Wala
Hindi mo
yan.
na.
Dali lang
So,
nun, sir.
it's the challenges also. Parang yan ang ano namin.
Being too giving back. Right?
E-books, di ba? Giving back. I'm torn between being selfish and sharing.
Yeah.
Di ba? But in the end, you share. I mean, yun din ano, if you're old na, like me, and
Nasa ano ka na, sir? Nasa taas ka na ng Maslow's.
Hindi, nasa pre-departure area ka na, di ba? Then I don't have to worry about, di ba, I own my own home,
Right.
I'm comfortable, so I can afford to, I mean, early in life, you strive to make a name for yourself. In the end of your life, it's legacy building. What do you leave behind?
Yeah.
So that's where I am
That's
at
nice.
the moment, di ba?
Okay.